Welcome to Activity 47. In this activity, we will be developing fluency with two part bonds of 20. We will be saying these as addition equations. For example, 13 add 7 equals 20. Let's begin. Player 1 needs one of each block from 1 to 9 in a jumbled pile, and player 2 needs the same. Player 1 goes first, and they spin a 7. They pick up the 7 block, and they choose to place it either here or here. It's their choice. When they place it, they say 17 add 3 equals 20. If they had placed it in the other position, they would have spun it and placed the 7 and said 7 add 13 equals 20. Let's leave it here. Player 2 has their turn. They spin 8. They can choose to either place it as 18. I'm going to choose 8. Player 2 says 8 add 12 equals 20. The aim of the game is to place the most number of blocks in 3 minutes. So whoever has the least number of blocks at the end is the winner. I'll play one more turn. Player 1 spins a 2. The 12's already taken, so they're going to place it here and say 2 add 18 equals 20. Now it's your turn.